What's going on, guys? I'm here to talk about my PC build today. And really by talk about my PC build, I'm going to show you images of what my PC is made up of on the screen, and I'm going to tell you how I wish I had a better PC and how I really advise you try and save your money and buy yourself a better PC. This PC works for the games that are out right now. It'll run them. It will. I'll dip during PUBG occasionally, but fucking what PC doesn't? It runs PUBG anywhere between like 50 to 90, wherever the dips end up hitting. Sometimes it hits 100. I don't know. That game is really poorly optimized. Here's the CPU on screen right now. I wish I had more because it really doesn't do everything I wish it could do. I wish I could edit better. I wish I could do more, but the stress that I end up putting on the computer will make it freeze sometimes and shit, but it's really whatever. It's what I have now. Here's the GPU. I hope one day I can get a better PC. Uh, maybe Ironside can sponsor me, just a little bit, slip that in there. But I'm going to be showing you a superposition benchmark of the PC, and this is why I really wish I had a better one, because this benchmark really puts in perspective how bad this is compared to other PCs. I'm going to go ahead and let this benchmark play through. I will pick back up at the end and talk a little bit more about it. Alrighty, guys. And that's the score I get for the medium benchmark. This is the score I get when I'm not recording. When I am recording, it does hinder my performance, which is also a big bitch because during PUBG, whenever that happens, it fucking kills. I've had it in one of my videos where I end up dying because I have to end my recording and restart it. But basically, I'm just here to say, save your money, get a good PC, don't cop out. This has been my PC build. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.